Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna paint a beautiful and vibrant flowers. For that I'm using a small canvas, acrylic paints in different shades like yellow, white, red and different shades of green and blue. And for the brushes I'll be using a round, flat, detailed brush. So let's dive in. Start by mixing blue and white for the background. Use horizontal and vertical brush strokes. Let your hands flow and don't forget the edges. Use red for the flowers. Add white to give your flowers depth and make it realistic. Follow the same pattern for all flowers. Use any shade of green for stems and leaves. Add yellow and white to make the stems and leaves more realistic. Now add details to make the flowers more realistic. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comment sections what flower would you like me to paint next. See you in my next video. Bye!